Welcome to Tech Shorts, a collection of hints, tips, and tricks to make you a more effective ServiceNow developer. I'm Chuck Tomasi. In this episode, I'm going to add some automatic lookup rules to the safety application. The safety department is thrilled at the way the safety app is helping them manage their safety issue process and saving them time. They've come to me and asked if they can automatically assign the inspector based on the category. I'm going to use a simple data lookup table to find a matching category and assign an inspector. I don't need any code and can simply maintain the table going forward, even as other criteria may come into play. This is pretty simple to create. I'm going to create some inspector lookup rules, which is a table extended from the data matcher lookup rules. Next, I'll create a data lookup definition record to match the rules against the safety issue record data. And finally, set the values on the safety issue. To start, I bring up Studio, pick the safety application, and create my lookup table. The name is Inspector Lookup Rules. And the important part, it needs to extend the table Data Lookup Matcher Rules. Now I add my category and inspector fields and save my work. And here's a neat little trick to repurpose choices from the issue table. I can go to the dictionary entry and tell it to use the choices from the issue table's category field. Now to define what to match and what to set. I do that by creating a data lookup definition in Studio. First a name, the source table will be my issue table, and the matcher table will be the new lookup table I just created. And I want it to run on new and existing records, so I'll check this and save. Now I use the matcher field records to tell it which fields in the source table should match the matcher table. In this case, I'll use the issues category and match the lookup category, and save that. If I get a match, then I set the source table's inspector field from the lookup's inspector field. And if the category changes, I want to assign a new inspector automatically, even if one already exists. Done. Now to add a couple of rules for the lookup to follow. For big issues, we'll make Petra the inspector, and Natasha can handle the smaller ones. Now to test it out. I'll pick this record and set the category, noting that the value is automatically changed for me based on the lookup rules. And if I change it back again, the other inspector is assigned. Of course, I have to save the record to have these changes take effect. If I were to try doing this without a data lookup, I could definitely do it, but it would take a fair amount of server and client-side scripting and not be suitable for other tables without repeating the same amount of code. Using data lookups, it only took me a few minutes and no code. For more information about creating data lookups, visit the product documentation page shown on the screen. I also invite you to visit developer.servicenow.com to get a free developer instance to try the concepts demonstrated in this video and learn more about building business applications fast on ServiceNow. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to be a more effective ServiceNow developer. Thanks for watching.